Welcome to Anvils for Sale. Here we have a 455-pound North German double-horned anvil. The top surface of this anvil was badly pitted. We decided to repair most of this top surface damage by grinding the surface. The idea was to do as little grinding as possible, that is less than 1/8 of an inch of material removed. As a result, most of the surface of this anvil has been ground smooth, and we have crowned the surface. That is, it's not flat, it's slightly crowned. Part of the top surface is still pitted, and the anvil has moderate edge damage. This repaired anvil rings and rebounds well and is ready to go to work.